Hello, my friends. Welcome back to Keto and the Chaos. My name is Tammy. It's Sunday, April 21st, 2019, and it's weigh-in day. Happy Easter, everyone. I'm just taking a minute out of our Easter festivities to say hello to you guys and give you an update on my weigh-in for today. It has been 120 weeks on keto. I'm kind of like crazy shocked about that number, and I'm super excited to share with you how my week has gone this week. I have stayed doing my maintenance macros. Stayed about between 1,800 calories and about 2,300. A couple of days, I think I hit 2,500 even this week. And so far, so good. Everything feels good. Everything's looking fine. Nothing seems to be fitting weird or, anything strange going on. Let's just get to the weigh-in and I will let you know how I feel about it. So as you can see, I weighed in today at 177.8 pounds. So yay, finally some of that water weight is dropping off a little bit, which is my normal, so that makes me very happy. That's down 3 pounds from last week. But like I said, I'm in maintenance mode right now, and so I'm kind of bouncing around. This is the lowest I've been in 2 months, and it's still, 1.5 pounds above my lowest weight. So that's pretty awesome considering I've been eating over 2,000 calories for the past 2 months almost. So that's pretty great. I'm really happy with those numbers. I'm really feeling good, enjoying my family, and having a wonderful Easter. I hope that you guys are having a wonderful holiday as well. Be careful with your keto stuff. I hope you're all staying keto and having keto-friendly treats and things like that. And I hope you had a beautiful, beautiful holiday. Thanks so much for hanging out with me. We'll talk to you again soon.